Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So today we're going to do another Argos review. So today we've got this ginormous pickup truck, and I think this is going to take a few days and definitely a lot of hours to build. So let's get into it. So let's start to open it. Okay. Now that looks like a lot of Lego already. How many packs are there even going to be? I see hundreds of packs. Oh my. Okay, let's get them all out. Still going. Still going. And then that, look how big that is as a restriction bit. And look how many stickers there is. That's a lot. So,
They're all numbered, aren't they? The bags are numbered.
wait. We'll let you know when we've got, ready, because this is going to take a long time. So this is what we have done so far, but a really helpful thing that is in here is, you see this? When you get one of these pieces, like any one of them, you can measure it just to check if it's the right bit. So I think that's really handy if you ever get this. So if you do, and it is, if you're not bothered looking on the internet how much that is, it is £140. So I think we're gonna do it another bit in, another day now. Bye. Hi guys, so after a few days we've built this, and it took about 2 hours to build. And then if you see this bit right here, then you see these, yeah? If you twist this, they will automatically go up. Because see, all this is moving, and that's how high it goes. But then, if you do it down this way, then it'll go down. So I think that's really cool. And then, the more you go down, the more this extends up. If you can see, the more you go up, the more that'll go down. See, that keeps on moving down. And that's the max to go up. No, down. I don't know. But yeah, I think we're gonna keep on building, and yeah, this is gonna. We have 6 more days to review this, so we're gonna have to do a bit more, and hopefully we'll start doing the outside of it. Yeah, so we'll catch you when we've done another bit. Bye. Hi guys, so it's another day of building the massive Lego, and so far we've done 1, 2, and 3 packs. So far it's looking very good, and it's been very complicated. And then you can push this. I'm going to show you the things that you can do. So you can push this. That'll be something soon. Then if you use it up here, you can see closely. You're going to turn this, and then that's moving, and on the other side, see? And then I think it's, what does that do again? I forgot what that does. but which one is it to do this one again?
I don't know.
But then, yeah, it's good. We've done good so far. Oh, them two go down. And up and down. And go fully down. And then if you see, this bit is doing it. Because it extends longer and longer. And you can move these like that. And then, yeah, so it's looking very good so far. So now we've only really got the, well, if you want to see here, we've done this so far, and then there's that much, so you can still tell there's a lot more to do, but we're nearly there so far. So I think we're gonna be doing this, well, it's gonna, huh?
Wrap it up now.
Now I think we're gonna, well, do pack 4, so bye. So guys, this has took us a whole entire week to build this whole entire thing. So I guess I'm gonna show you how it works and what it does. Okay, so at the start here, I don't know if you want to know, but the mirror moves and the doors open. And you can see the steering wheel as well. Then we've got these bits, and I forgot the controls on them. So this bit puts that up and down. If I move my, see? And then you got this one. That's moving that bit backwards, or down I mean, and that's putting it up. Then,
Turn it around.
right, this is a heavy thing. This is very, very heavy. It took us a whole entire week to make this. Oh yeah, and this bit up here, it moves the front tires. Then this bit, it moves that bit. See? So then I can like stop. Then this bit, it moves that. Why is it not going there?
Maybe it just needs pushing a bit.
There. And now it moves both ways. And if you need to, you can just push it in. It'll work. Push. There. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, hit the notification bell and subscribe. Bye!